Have you ever imagined what it would be like if humans could shrink or grow themselves at will like the superheroes in movies? What would life be like if we had this amazing ability? In this video, we'll explore the possibilities and implications of being able to change our size. The ability to shrink or grow could open up an entirely new dimension to how we experience the world around us. Imagine being able to shrink down to the size of an ant and explore the hidden worlds beneath your feet. You could ride on the back of an insect or get an ant's eye view of your home. In your miniaturized state, ordinary things like a backyard garden or a room in your house would seem like vast new landscapes to discover. To make it more relatable, let's take a look at some real-world examples where size manipulation plays a role. In the field of nanotechnology, scientists are exploring ways to manipulate particles at an atomic level, opening up possibilities for advanced materials and medical breakthroughs. Additionally, in the animal kingdom, we have creatures like chameleons and octopuses that can change their size and shape to camouflage or adapt to their environment. Let's address some common questions you might have. Are there any potential risks or drawbacks to size manipulation? Like with any new technology, there are ethical considerations and potential risks. Accidental size changes, societal disparities, and environmental impacts are some of the challenges that would need to be addressed. Is size manipulation purely fictional, or is there scientific evidence to support it? While we don't have concrete evidence of size manipulation yet, scientific research in fields like quantum mechanics and nanotechnology hint at the possibility. It's an exciting area of exploration. Is size shifting theoretically possible? While it remains theoretical, there are intriguing ideas in physics, such as manipulating space-time, that suggest it might be possible in the distant future. Are there any real-world examples? Nature offers some inspiration, like creatures that change size during their life cycle, such as tadpoles turning into frogs. But human size shifting is still science fiction. What are the practical implications? If size shifting became a reality, it could revolutionize industries like construction, medicine, and even space exploration. If you have any thoughts or opinions on this topic, we'd love to hear from you. Comment down below and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your curious friends, and subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending content. Thank you for joining us today on this mind-expanding journey. We hope you found this video both informative and thought-provoking. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.